Hi everyone. In today's video, Sean and I take a trip to the Mi Comisariato. As you can see here, the imported American brands are considerably more expensive than the local brands. Obviously, everything here is in Spanish, but it's not too hard to figure out. Google Translate is great. And here we are just browsing the aisles. And this aisle has chips and snacks. Some I'm familiar with and some we're not. Here are the unrefrigerated huevos, and here's the dairy section. And here we have the fruits and vegetables. So this store is kind of a combination of Walmart and Lowe's. Snack time while we wait for our Uber. I happen to love empanadas, and these are pretty delicious. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you soon.